Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we give you all the insights into everyday experiences. And today, we're stepping into the wonderful world of hair salons. Imagine the gentle hum of conversation, the calming scent of shampoo, and the relaxing atmosphere. It's a place where transformations happen. Let's follow along with a typical hair salon visit. A customer walks in, ready for a change. "Hello," she says with a smile. "I'd like to cut my hair short." Ah, the brave decision to embrace a new style. The stylist, professional and friendly, responds, "Sure, do you want a bob or something shorter?" A moment of contemplation follows. Going short is a big decision. Our customer decides, maybe a bob, but not too short. A perfect choice for those looking for style without sacrificing too much length. The stylist nods, understanding the delicate balance between change and continuity. "Got it," they say. "Would you like a shampoo too?" Now, who could resist the blissful, relaxing experience of a salon shampoo? "Yes, please," the customer replies. "My hair feels dry." It's a common concern, and thankfully, one the stylist can address with ease. "No problem," they assure her. "I'll take care of it." And with that, the magic begins. In no time, the sound of running water and the touch of professional hands work wonders. The hair is cleansed, conditioned, and prepped for styling. As you sit back, you notice the transformation, not just in the mirror, but in how you feel. A fresh haircut can boost confidence and renew your spirit. Meanwhile, the stylist carefully cuts, shaping a bob that complements the customer's face and style preferences. Each snip of the scissors brings her closer to a new look. Finally, the cut is finished, styled just right, and the customer looks into the mirror, satisfied and thrilled. The experience at the hair salon doesn't just change your appearance, it uplifts your soul. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Whether it's a daring haircut or a simple trim, remember, it's more than just hair. It's self-expression, it's confidence, it's you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures and tips. Until next time, keep shining.